update on Bryan Kohberger. The court unsealed motion practice, and again, the defense has filed a motion to dismiss the death penalty specification. The basis of the motion to dismiss is that the state of Idaho and the prosecutors untimely disclosed discovery or evidence to the defense, and that the late disclosure of evidence is prejudicial to Kohberger. So the defense is relying on a 2023 case out of Idaho, Lori Vallow Daybell. In the Daybell case, the judge precluded the state of Idaho from seeking the death penalty due to late disclosure of evidence. The judge, in his opinion, wrote that he was not punishing the state of Idaho by precluding the death penalty. More so, he was protecting the record from a reversible error on appeal. So the judge believed that the late disclosure of the evidence, had it come in and there be a conviction, that it would taint the conviction, and ultimately an appellate court would reverse the trial court and send it back to trial. There's some distinctions between the Kohberger case and the Daybell case. First and foremost, in Daybell, she did not waive her right to a speedy trial. So from the date of arraignment until the date of trial, if you do not waive your right to a speedy trial, the state of Idaho has 6 months to bring you to trial. Bryan Kohberger waived his right to a speedy trial, so that does not apply, okay? The next thing is the state of Idaho in the Daybell case disclosed this evidence weeks before trial. And remember, they were on a deadline because she had not waived her right to the speedy trial. In this matter, this trial is not set until August of 2025, so it's months away. So the Kohberger defense team has much more time to deal with any evidence that they get. To preclude the state of Idaho from seeking the death penalty was an extraordinary remedy, and the judge in the Daybell case recognized that. In this case, it would be an extraordinary remedy, and quite frankly, there's other avenues and other options that the judge would have. For instance, if the judge believed that the state of Idaho and the prosecutors did untimely disclose evidence, one of the remedies could be they don't allow them to use that specific evidence in the case. More likely is the judge can just continue the trial and give Kohberger's defense team a couple more months or a few more months if necessary to get ready. So I doubt that this motion is successful, but again, Kohberger's defense team is trying everything they can to take the death penalty off the table for Kohberger.